They called it a ghost town, a village that vanished off maps overnight. No records, no memory. And now I'm here trying to uncover why.
Where is everyone? It's like they just vanished, but something's still here. Everything looks frozen in time, like the village never moved on.
Hello? Is anyone there? Come on! Someone has to be here.
I'm looking for information. What happened to this village?
You shouldn't be here.
People don't just disappear without a trace. Tell me what's going on.
He's back. He doesn't even know he's back.
What did you say?
You can't leave once you've returned.
James! James, come home!
That's impossible.
You were one of us. You left, but you don't remember, do you?
That can't be true. I've never been here before.
The village forgets you when you leave, but you never truly escape. No one does.
The clock stopped at midnight the day I left. The village is frozen in time. No one can move forward until the one who left returns.
Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't anyone stop me from leaving in the first place?
You had to find your own way back. The village waits for you to remember, but once you do, you can never leave.
I refuse to stay here. I won't let this place control me. I have a life outside.
This is your home. It always was. The world outside doesn't remember us, but we remember you.
There has to be a way to break the loop. The clock stopped the day everything froze. Maybe if time moved again, we could too.
This has to work. If time starts again, maybe I can break free.
You can go now, if you want, but this is your home. It always has been.
I came here to solve a mystery, but I didn't realize I was part of it. Sometimes, the answers you find don't set you free. They lead you back to where you truly belong. It's not always about escaping the past, but understanding that some places and some truths are meant to be a part of you.